Hello everyone, this is a short video on projects with Arduinos. So two of the projects that I have been working on for some time. I'm going to explain them in a brief detail, and I'm going to allow you as students or viewers or hardware designers to actually go ahead and make your own permutation of the project. The first project here is a digital power supply module. So it has the Atmega 328, or the same IC that is in the Arduino, and in conjunction with that it has an LCD display, some buttons, an input power stage, and a linear voltage regulator. For those of you who have actually done some power supply projects or some basic projects, the LM317 is one of the most commonly used linear voltage regulators. The concept here is to control the output voltage using the Arduino and display the voltage and current. For beginners, I'm going to explain the basics of how you can actually start with this project. I've actually drawn up a rough schematic. So essentially what we have is the LM317, which is a adjustable linear voltage regulator. Normally we have a V-in, a V-out, a feedback, and then here we have a potentiometer which is used to control the output voltage. Now, instead of actually attaching a potentiometer, you can attach your Arduino, and the Arduino will generate a voltage, and essentially the output will be 1.25 volts above the input voltage. So whatever is the VSET voltage, and that's because of the internal reference voltage of the regulator. Here you can use an op-amp. You can set the gain according to whatever input and output relation you want. I have a simple RC filter, a 1 mega ohm resistance, and a 100 nanofarad capacitor, forming a simple low pass filter, which can be fed a simple PWM input from an Arduino. And to the Arduino you can attach an LCD and then buttons, and you can control, and then this project can actually grow as your understanding of the whole circuit grows. So this is the basic schematic for the recommended project. The second project I want a lot of people to get started with, this is an Arduino Uno, but it has this is a module that I bought from AliExpress. I don't recommend you buy from AliExpress unless you are really sure. This is a DDS module, which stands for Direct Digital Synthesis. I'm reading out the IC. It's 809850. So this module is the 809850. So what it does basically is you can control it via two serial lines. It will take serial data and it will generate sine, triangular, and square waves of the correct frequency. Now the Arduino runs at 16 megahertz, but this module has the crystal as well as a synthesis IC, which can generate a sine wave, which is much cleaner than what you can do with the Arduino or with a DAC, and it can generate up to 20 megahertz. So you can build your own function generator. This is my version of a simple function generator. I don't usually use it, but for student projects this is the recommended option. The direct signal synthesis board will output the signal onto a pair of wires, and I just clip it onto an Arduino Uno. The interface I've written in MATLAB, and the user interface I can basically change the frequency. I don't change the amplitude. I have a second amplifier stage. So again, as your understanding of this project grows, the project can grow. So this is two of the projects that I feel students and beginners with Arduinos can actually start off with. For more information, you can go to my blog, which is embeddedcode.wordpress.com. You can add me on Google Plus at google.com/plus in the Preet Singh. or you can follow me on Twitter. That's twitter.com/IP_V1. Thanks for watching.